Hello guys and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we will discuss about breadcrumbs. So what is breadcrumb? Breadcrumb is a type of secondary menu or navigation for your website. Now if your website has a large number of pages or contents like multiple products, services, then you need to use breadcrumbs. So in some cases your website may have a limited number of pages, but still the website or your business type is so complex that it is difficult for users to find what product they want and where they want. So it means in order to make the website more navigable so that more and more people navigate easily, so in such cases breadcrumb will help you users. So why I have just opened this amazon.com website. So the example or great example of breadcrumb is this. You can see, like if I want to search anything, like if I want to search books at Audible, here I have textbook rental. So I don't have to just browse on books and then search on books. I just can do like this on handmade clothing. I just have each and every category over here. If I click on movies, music, games, headphones, video games, so each and every category I can browse easily from that, or even I can search from here. So this is because of the breadcrumb is installed already here on this website. So now what exactly breadcrumb is, because various people won't be able to understand what is breadcrumb. So users can navigate directly by clicking any of the link over here, like as I already mentioned, like if I want to means click on food and grocery, then I will click over here and it will direct me to the web page. Food and grocery, I want Amazon Fresh, then I will click over here and it would directly take me to a page like this, and here I can take anything I want. I don't have to waste my time unnecessarily. So now if you want to find more courses with digital marketing category, then means, for example, if a person wants to find more products like gift cards, and so he will click on gift cards. He doesn't have to do any work and he will just click on gift cards and he will receive these things like you are seeing here. So how does it help in SEO? So the rule is concentrate on user first and then on the search engine robots, because you are writing for users, not for search engine robots. Black hat SEO people write for search engine robots, but white hat SEO, which I am basically teaching, they write for the people, not for the robots. So obviously when a users find it easier to navigate on your website, then in such cases your bounce rate would come down eventually, and you will help, means which will help you in SEO. So it would be easier for search engines to crawl and index your web pages, and then automatically Google bot will start crawling and Google spiders will start crawling your website, and eventually your website would rank on the first page or on the second page, and your website would be keyword optimized or search engine optimized. So the first thing is that you must concentrate what people want and write on that and install. Now think whether your website needs breadcrumb. If yes, then plan your breadcrumb menu, list the hierarchy and ask your website developer to implement the same. So if you are using WordPress, then simply type on Google that WordPress install breadcrumb, means just type WordPress breadcrumb install and then click enter. So it will first let me pause. Now see, you just see that breadcrumb NAVXT WordPress plugin. So you just click over here and then install your plugin. So that's all for today video. Meet you in the next video.